Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for the wait. As announced in the 2021-2022 revised national budget, the government had announced that we'll be providing a one-off unemployment support of $100 to the people in Vanuatu. As you know that if you look at Head 50, there's an allocation of $13 million was made for that. The application will actually open from tomorrow, 26th of May, at 9 a.m. and close on 31st of May, which is open for 5 days at 5 p.m. Again, the same requirements are there. Eligible individuals have to be 18 years and over. In Vanuatu only, can apply by dialing star 161 hash and provide all the following mandatory information: your full name, birth registration number, or citizenship number, date of birth, TIN, tax identification number, FNPF number, voter identification number, home address, declaration to confirm the applicant has received both jabs of COVID-19. If yes, of course, provide the place of vaccination, consent for the Fijian government to access applicants' vaccination and SIM card registration details, and the statute declaration to confirm that all information provided is correct. As you know that this takes about 3 minutes or less to do so. Individual, of course, again, whose employment income has not been affected, as well as those who receive other forms of government assistance, are not eligible for this income support as was previously done. This, of course, includes all civil servants, other employees in the private sector and statutory bodies whose employment income has not been affected and currently are working now, and therefore the FNPF contributions have been normal in the last 1 month. All those on the FNPF pension scheme, all students on TELS and Topper scholarship receiving normal allowances, all social welfare recipients, and all those, of course, below the age of 18 years. It is important that individuals applying for this assistance gather all of the required information before dialing star 161 hash. It's quite easy once you've got all information. Incomplete submissions or submissions containing incorrect information will not be considered. Only one registered SIM card is permitted per person, as we've seen in the past. Sometimes people get 2 SIM cards. And the one SIM card should be registered under the applicant's name itself. Qualifying applicants must be fully vaccinated with at least the first 2 jabs. There are stiff penalties for individuals, of course, attempting to double dip on government unemployment assistance. Payment for qualifying applicants will start from 6 June 2022, subject to correct and complete information being provided, so that's about 5 days after the application is closed. Ministry of Economy, of course, will work with in partnership with various organizations, including Vodafone, Digicel, Ministry of Communication, Ministry of Health and Medical Services, Ministry of Women, Children, Poverty Alleviation, FRCS, FNPF, and the Tertiary Scholarship and Loans Board to verify and process the applications. For ease of access, of course, funds will be deposited directly into the M-Pesa or the MyCash accounts for successful recipients. We had also announced in the budget that we'll be making one-off payments to all those who currently are social welfare recipients. You know, people receiving any form of cash. For example, rural pregnant women, people on social pension, other forms of poverty alleviation. All of them will receive a one-off payment of $50 in the first week of June in 2022, of course. The additional $50 will be added to the normal monthly welfare payments. The payment will be made directly to the recipient's bank account or digital wallet, whichever way they are currently being paid. That's how they'll get that additional $50. For them, of course, they don't need to apply because they're already on the list. They're already social welfare recipients, so they'll get that money paid. So we urge you as members of the media to also spread this information. This information will be going up practically as we speak. It will be going up on our Facebook page. There will be various radio announcements made to this effect also. We urge all people in Vanuatu to apply for this. We had allocated $13 million for the $100 one-off payment and $7 million for the $50 one-off payment, which should be adequate enough to ensure all those who are eligible actually will get those monies that they're entitled to. Thank you.